Far North Hobby. Bald eagle in my backyard. It's pretty cool. He just flew right over me. I was like, whoa. Maybe 6 foot wingspan, maybe more. 7. Pretty good size one. If you haven't yet, check out our weekly episode of Hot Pack Hump Day. We've had 1 episode so far. We're going to have 5 more every Wednesday for the next 5 weeks. We're going to put the eBay hot packs to the test and see what's up with those. Among other videos, check out the other videos. Far North Hobby. Nice bald eagle. See if it'll fly away. Will it fly away? No, it's hanging out. It's right at freezing. It's snowing. Oh, it's been snowing and raining off and on. It is snowing right now. What are you doing, eagle? Looking at me. Oh, watch out, little bird. Hanging out with the eagle. What are you doing? Oh my God. Went up to the nest in that tree. Watch out, little bird. He's gonna eat you. This is already longer than I intended, but oh well. Never know what I'm gonna see in my backyard here in Alaska. There has to be a nest over there somewhere. You gonna peck that eagle? Oh. Watch out, little bird. That eagle's just chilling. He's like, I'm not going anywhere. Back off, little bird. You hear it squawking? I'll eat you. That might be a magpie. That might be a magpie. It's harassing that eagle. Well, almost 4 minutes. I think that eagle's going to hang out there for a little while. It could sit there for the next hour. Oh. A few more seconds. Just hanging out. Alright, that's enough. Far North Hobby, thanks for checking out the video. Bye.